'cause I am here. I'll hold you close, I'll hold you tight, I'll keep you safe all through the night, because no matter where you are, just hear my voice, just hear my song for you. A song I'll sing for you, my child. A tune so gentle and so mild, to keep so safe inside your heart, to sing when we are far apart. Your voice, don't hide in clouds of doubt. A flame that no one can put out, because no matter what you say, your words are heard, your voice embraced. Always I listen, I'll be there when no one wants to listen. I'll be there when silence is your prison. When you sing, my eyes will start to glisten. Just remember this, my boy, when the silence drowns your joy in a very special part of your kind and loving heart, there's a voice, there's a song in you. A song you'll sing forevermore. A tune much better